Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Fundamentals Self-Round-2 Assignment 3, and today I'm going to discuss about the following two questions. First is, if the game object is off, then tell which of the following methods will be called. Second, if game object is on but the script is disabled, then which of the following methods will be called. So in first case, when the game object is off, or game object is disabled, then none of the methods will be called, because awake method is only called when the script instance is being loaded in the scene. So start method is called when start method is called when the game object is active in the hierarchy, or when the script is activated, and it is called only once at the start of the frame or the starting frame. And update method is called when the script is enabled and the game object is active in hierarchy, and update method is called on every frame. So next is, if the game object is on but the script is disabled, then which of the following methods will be called. So if game object is on but the script is disabled, then awake method will be called, because awake method is called when the script instance is loaded in the scene. So the game object is on, so update method doesn't is not dependent on the script, whether the script is enabled or disabled. So this script independent, so awake method will be called in that case. So we can also see an example of this as well. So in Unity, I have created a scene where I have created an empty game object and assigned it an empty script. And in this script, it is full of debugger block. And in this awake method is called when in update function, start is printed in the start, and update is printed in the update in the console. So as you can see, my game object is disabled and I'm in the play mode. So in the console, nothing is getting printed. So when I just if I will just turn my script off and enable my game object, then awake message will be printed and it should display awake in the console. So if I just do this, you can see awake is being called as script is disabled but the game object is activated or instantiated in the scene. And in the next case, if I just turn on the script component, then start method and awake method will also be called, because they will be called once every update will be called once every frame, and start is called at the second frame, and both of the script and game object should be activated. So if I call on this, then you can see start and update methods are also being called. That's all. Thank you.